Selling your home for top dollar is a science, and using great marketing pieces are tools to help you achieve that success. But just like any tool, it's what you do with it that makes the difference. Once we capture your home's best selling points both in film, photos, and 3D, we put those tools to work to bring an audience to your home. To spread the word, we use our network of top agents along with our database with thousands of buyer leads to build interest in your home immediately and set up showings. We send out just listed emails along with open house invitations to get buyers to your home. We feature your listing on our website, soldbyelliott.com, along with syndicating to Realtor.com, Zillow.com, Homes.com, and hundreds, if not thousands, of local realtors' personal websites. In addition to high-definition photos, videos, 3D tours, and drone work, we use lead capture technology on all of our sign writers. That way, when someone's driving by your home and wants information, we can get it to them immediately. And more important, get their contact information so we can proactively reach out to them. Modern social media marketing is not just a trend and should not be overlooked. We specialize in Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube promotions to help reach local audiences and audiences abroad to help gain interest in your home. This is critical for your millennial shoppers and your investors outside the area. Selling your home for top dollar is a science. And if you're considering selling your home and want to learn more about these techniques about getting your home ready for the market, click the link below and download my free guide that walks you through all the low cost and no cost techniques to help you get the most money for your home.